Hi everyone, I'm Tony with Filled to Flame, and today we'll be making this creamy wild turkey chili. This is a great twist on a classic staple. We're all familiar with the chili loaded with ground meat, beans, and the tomato red sauce. Today we're switching it up. We got our turkey that we harvested. We're going to use it up out of the freezer. It's creamy, it's loaded with flavor, it's not too spicy, it's really simple to make. There's a great way to switch it up from the normal. Before we continue this recipe, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and also check out the rest of our content. Let's start cooking. Inside our pot, we're going to heat up a few teaspoons of olive oil. We're going to go in with our onion, and we're going to cook this down so it's nice and translucent. Now our chilies. Stir this up, let it cook for about another 2 minutes. Now in with our ground wild turkey. We're going to cook this up for about 4 to 5 minutes until the turkey is fully cooked. What we're doing is building layers of flavor. Those onions are starting to sweeten up. Those green chilies are starting to get a little bit of a crisp on them. The meat is browning. Now we're going to go in with our garlic, saute this up for about 30 seconds to a minute. Now goes in our oregano and our cumin. We're just going to toast the spices and herbs. Now we're going to season all this up with some salt and pepper. Building layers of flavor. In goes our chicken stock. We're going to bring this up to a simmer. Now we're going in with our beans. Now before we add these in, I smashed about a quarter of these. That's going to help thicken up the chili. We're going to let this cook for probably about 7 to 10 minutes. Now in with our corn, we're going to give this about another 2 to 3 minutes. We're going to go in with our sour cream. This is where our creaminess is going to come from. Gonna stir this in. We're just gonna let this simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes to let those flavors really come together. Now if you're feeling adventurous and you want to switch it up, you can place this in the smoker for the 15 to 20 minutes and add another level of depth of flavor to it with the smoke. But today we're just going this way. We're gonna let this simmer, and then we're gonna make a bowl. Oh, this chili is smelling and looking amazing. Nice consistency that we're looking for. If you want it a little bit thicker, don't be afraid to thicken it up with a little bit of cornstarch and water. Let's get a taste real quick to adjust the seasoning. That's just about spot on. A little bit of salt and pepper. Let's plate up a bowl. Let's get our bowl here. Oh, can't wait to eat this. So good. Not skimping on the portions today. Maybe one more. I'm gonna top it, a little bit of cheese, some sour cream. You go avocados on this, whatever you want. Let's get a bite. I got mine topped with melted cheese, more sour cream. Let's dig in. Man, that is so good. Super flavorful. The way we built those layers of flavors was sauteing the onions and browning the turkey and throwing in the green chilies. It's such a great way to use up that bird. Now you can use any wild game in this recipe. If you have pheasant, rabbit, this recipe is great for that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.